Okay, so here it has been told that two cards are drawn simultaneously without replacement from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. So we have 52 cards, and out of that, two cards are drawn. Two cards are drawn simultaneously and without replacement. Without replacement. So since there is without replacement, the cards are drawn. So we should know that it is not an example of Bernoulli trial. It is not an example of Bernoulli trial. So now we have to find the mean, variance, and standard deviation for the number of aces. So now here x can be defined as a random variable, where the random variable x can be defined as the number of aces that is obtained. The number of aces obtained. So, and two cards are drawn. Therefore, here the number of trials is 2. The number of trials is 2 here, but it is not a Bernoulli trial. So, um, so therefore, x can take the values 0, 1, and 2. So now, therefore, p of x equal to 0, it means that the probability that no ace card is drawn, no ace card is drawn in these two cards. So out of these two cards, no ace card is there. So we know that there are 4 aces. We know that there are 4 aces out of the 52 cards. So except the 4 aces, there are 48 other cards. 48 other cards except the ace. So out of these 48, I have to choose any 2 cards, and out of the 52 cards, I can choose any 2 cards. So the p of x equal to 0 will be 48c2 by 52c2. So that will be 48 by 2 into 47 by 1 divided by 52 by 2 into 51 by 1. So this 2 and 2, I can cancel it. And 4 12s are 48, 4 13s are 52. So this would be, and this will also cancel. So 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So this would be 4 into 47 divided by 13 into 17. So this would be 4 7s are 28, 4 4s are 16, 188 divided by 13 7s are 91, 31 ones are 13, 13 plus 9, that is 22. So it is 188 by 221. So that is p of x equal to 0. And similarly, we have to find p of x equal to 1. It means the probability that one ace card is drawn, one ace is drawn, and the other one is not an ace. So that would be, out of these 48, I have to choose any one card, and out of the 4 aces, I have to choose any one card. So that divided by 52c2. So that would be 48 into 4 divided by 52c2. So 52 by 2 into 51 by 1. So this would be 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. So this will be 2 13s are 26 and 2 2s are 4, and then I can cancel with 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, then 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So this would be 16 into 2, that is 32 divided by 221. And p of x equal to 2, similarly, that is the probability that both cards are aces. Both cards are aces. So that would be, so out of the 4 aces, I have to choose any 2 cards by 4c 2 ways. And out of the 52 cards, I can choose any 2 cards by 52c 2 ways. So that would be 4 by 2 into 3 by 1 divided by 52 by 2 into 51 by 1. So that would be 2 2s are 4 and 2 26 are, and with 3 that will cancel, 17, and 2 13s are. So this would be 1 by 221. So therefore, Therefore, the required probability distribution of the random variable x, can be written as x can take the values 0, 1, and 2, and the corresponding probabilities will be p of x, that is for x equal to 0, that will be obviously 188 by 221, 188 by 221, and p of x equal to 1, that is we got 32 by 221, and for p of x equal to 2 we got 1 by 221. Now here we have to find the mean and the variance. So therefore the mean of the random variable x, which is mu, so that is also called as the expectation value of x. So this would be equal to summation xi pi, where I goes from 1 to 3, since there are 3 possible values of x here. So this would be 0 into 188 by 221 plus 1 into 32 by 221, plus this would be 2 into 1 by 221. So this would be 221, and this would be 32 plus 2. So this would be 34 by 221. So we can cancel with 17. So this would be 17 2s are 34 and 17 13s are 221. So this would be 2 by 13. And similarly, we have to find the variance also. Therefore, the variance of the random variable x, that is given as expectation value of x square minus the expectation value of x whole square. So therefore the expectation value of x square, so that is summation xi pi x square into pi, and I is going from 1 to 3 here. So this would be 0 square into 188 by 221 plus and we have to subtract the mean value, which is mu also. So that would be 0 square into 188 by 221 plus 1 square into 32 by 221 plus 2 square into 1 by 221 and minus the mu square actually. So mu, which we got 2 by 13, so 2 by 13 whole square we have to do. So that will be equal to, we can take the LCM 221 and 1 square into 32, that is 32, plus 2 square, that is 4, minus this is 4 by 169 we can do. So this would be equal to so this would be equal to 36 by 221 minus 4 by 169. So if you take the LCM, that would be 13 17s and 13 13s. So this would be 169 into 17 actually. Since this is 13 13s and this is 13 17s. So 13, this is 169 and 221. If you take the LCM, that would be 13 13s and 13 17s. Okay. So yeah, so this would be 13 into 17. This would be 13, 36 into 13, then minus 4 into should be 17. So this would be equal to 13 6 78, 13 this is the 39 39 plus 7, that is 46, minus 17 4 is 68, divided by this would be 7, 169 into 17. So this would be 7 9s are 63, 7 6 are 42, 48, and 7 on 7 11s, then 169. So this would be 3 into the 18 17, 6 7 8, and 2 2873. So this would be 2873. So this would be 400 by 2873. So this is the variance of the random variable x, which is also equal to your sigma square. So therefore the standard deviation, where sigma is called as the standard deviation, therefore the standard deviation that is given as the square root of the variance of x. So therefore that would be equal to square root of 400 by 2873. So this square root of so this is square root of 400 by 2873 is obviously 169 into 17. So we can write it as um this we can write it as into 17, and here also into 17 we can do. So this would be 20 root 17 divided by 13 into 17. So this would be, so therefore the standard deviation sigma, that would be equal to 20 by 221 into root 17. So these are the answers. Thank you.